Well, good morning from Dynodaze, and today this beautiful FN2, as you can see, is on the ramp, and it's having a Japspeed manifold, very popular because they make good power when we map them up. So the old one's out, and Jason is standing over there for some reason and not underneath this car doing it, but I'll talk to him later. Richard is just putting the AFR probe in because we're about to map this one, this lovely FN2. I say they're all lovely, don't I? But this one is actually quite track ready and nice. And as you can see, the MB Civic that we put the K20 engine in earlier in the year is having an LSD. So Richard's just building up the LSD into the gearbox, and yeah, and he'll be out having more fun in that. But right, let's get cracking with some of it. Well, this pretty immense FN2 is up on the dyno, ready for a map tweak, as we've got an uprated throttle body in there now since the last time we mapped it. I've just messaged the customer to find out what his old registration was, so that I can bang that into the dyno computer and bring up his previous results. So I'm going to wait for him to respond to me, and we're going to have a look round in the meantime. Oh, nice induction kit. Yeah, uprated inlet manifold, uprated throttle body. Beautiful car. It's got some very nice mods. You guys will recognise this from the Owners Club. He's a good lad, Dan. But yeah, let's find out. How are we doing this morning, Rich?
Didn't sleep very well.
Didn't sleep very well.
Not feeling it.
He's not feeling it.
Like, it ain't even warm in here yet. The heater's not even warmed up.
If it's any consolation, it's freezing out here.
Oh, it'll be lovely in here in a minute. About 24 degrees, I would imagine.
Yeah, I'm so grateful for that.
Yeah.
So that's our finishing point today. The customer had made some modifications and asked us to map it. And here are the gains, plenty in the mid-range. So we're leaving today on 234 brake horsepower and a whopping 205 at the wheels. Yeah, boy.